Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. I welcome you all in a virtual classes program of JetKids International School, School at Home for class 6, subject mathematics. And I am your mathematics teacher J.M. Khan. Today we are going to discuss and today we are going to continue our exercise 2.2 of chapter 2nd, that is whole numbers. Okay, so our PH was C and D of question 3 in exercise 2.2. Question C was quite easy. Now, I think few of you may have problem in question number D. Okay, sub question D of question number 3. So question is like, okay, it is on page number 40, right? Exercise 2.2. Let us start this question. Okay, you may have, okay, may have some few students have solved these things, maybe possible, and maybe if you have difficulty in it. So let us discuss in it in a few seconds and then we will proceed to our next question. Okay, so see how we are going to do it here. See, every time we are going to take something common, like in previous thing it was like that, right? So common thing we have to take out, right? The addition of 10 plus 9, right? In the same manner we did it, right? So now here we cannot see, we don't have any common things, okay? But can we find any common thing over here if we multiply it by 5? So we can have 25, okay? We can have 25 here if I multiply it with 5. But from where I can take it multiply 5? From here it is not divisible by 5, but it is divisible 5. Okay, so pay attention on this. 3845. Okay, I am making things common. Okay, pay attention. Now what I am doing, I am making these things common, right? And how I am going to do this, please pay attention. Just look after this. How much I need to make it 25? It should be multiplied by 5 to make it 25, right? So that's why I am just dividing this thing 3845, because this number is not divisible. It is divisible, that's why I am dividing it by 5. 5 sevens are how much? 5 sevens are 35. 3 4 down, then 5 6 are, then 4 5 down, 5 9 down. So if I multiply 5 with 769, so what we will get? We will get 3845. So can I write? So what we can write from here? 5 multiplied by 769 is equal to 3845. Hope this is clear to all of you. Right? This is clear. So at the place of 3845, 3845, I am writing 5 multiplied by 769. Right? This I write at place of, now remain as it is, 782 plus 769 into 25 multiplied by 200. As it is, I am writing over here. Now, this 5 multiplied by 5. 769 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 782. Sorry? Okay. What I did over here? I just multiplied this 5. So it will be now we have similar thing over here. These things are common in it. 569 multiplied by 25, I took it common. Then remains 782 plus 218. Clear? Now, what is the multiplication of this? So I am just multiplying it over here. 769 25. Clear? So 25 multiplied by 9, how much? It will be 225, right? So 5 here and 22 carries, right? Okay, now 25 6 are, that is 150. 150 plus 22, that means 172. 172, so 17 will be carry. Okay, now 25 sevens are, that is 175. Okay, so I am adding 175 to 17, that is 192, right? So here I am writing 192. So the multiplication of 25 to 769. So I hope you don't have any problem in multiplication. So it will be 192 and sorry 19,225, and here 782 plus 280, that is 1000. So our answer will be 19225. Just add 3 zeros. Clear? This is how we will solve this thing. Clear? I hope this is clear to all of you, because this one was complicated. Okay? Now hope this is clear to all of you. Let us start our new question, that is question number 4. Okay. So question number 4 is about find the product using suitable rearrangement. Suitable properties you have to find. Find product. Okay, by suitable properties. Clear? See, 738 multiplied by 103. Clear? See, if you multiply it directly like this, so it will be wrong. Okay, this answer won't be considered as a correct answer. So what you have to do? You have to do it by property, using property. Okay, find product using property. Suitable property, right? So suitable property I am going to use over here, that is distributive property. So it will be 100 plus 3 I can write, because it will be easy to multiply with 100. Okay, so 738 multiplied by 100 is equals to 20. Just add that, that's it. And here we have 738 multiplied by 3. Clear? So it will be 738 20 plus. Now how to add it? How to multiply it? 738, 3 8s are, 3 3s are, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11. Okay, carry 1, 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22. So it will be 2214. Now add it. 4 1. Here 4 plus 0, that is 4, 1 plus 0, that is 1, 2 plus 8 is equals to 0. Okay, 2 plus 8 is equals to 0, carry 1, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, that is 6, 76,014. Clear? So this is how you will solve this thing. Okay, without these steps, without using distributive property, this answer won't be considered as a correct answer, because method is asked over here, so you have to use property in method. That's why it will be as the, okay, as this method. Clear? You have to write in a proper method. That's why. Otherwise, your answer won't be considered. Second thing, second question. Okay, second question is 854 multiplied by 102. Just stop. Okay. Pause your video and solve it. Check this answer. 854 I am. So it is also important which one you have to distribute. 854 or 102. So you should distribute this thing. Okay, Okay, because it will be easy to calculate. So here 854 multiplied by 100 first, then plus sign, then 854 multiplied by 2. Here, so here just add two zeros. We know very well why we are adding two zeros. Then here 1600, 1700, then 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, and 1, 2 8 is 16. Clear? Now add this thing. 8 plus 0, 8, 0 plus 0, 7 plus 4, carry 1, 5 plus 2, 7, here 8. 87,108. Next thing, 258. Hope this is clear. Pause video and try to solve it, okay? So now, see, 258. No. Yeah, 258 multiplied by 1008, 1000. Clear? So, which one we will break? We will break it, right? So, just pause video and solve this thing. 258 and make it direct, okay? Eight eights are 64, carry 6, 8 5s are 46, 16 plus 4, 20, right? Add it. 4, 6, 0, 0, 6, 60,000. Okay, I'm just making it fast because it is easy and you can do it. So just copy this thing. Pause video and copy. Now last question, that is important thing. Okay, same thing is here. 105 multiplied by 160. So that is D. Okay, and you have to solve it by your own. Okay, so what you will do here, let me tell you. 168 multiplied by 1000 plus 5. This is how you will solve it. Okay, so just try to solve it in a few seconds and reduce your calculation time. Okay, that's why we are giving so much time to this practice. Is why? Because it will reduce your calculation time and you will be fast in mathematics. Next question, that is question number 5, word problem. It is about diesel and petrol price. Okay, a taxi driver. Question number 5. Gita. Okay, a taxi driver filled his car petrol tank 40 liters on Monday. Okay, on Monday. Filled 40 liters. Okay, on Monday. Then the next day he filled 50 liters of petrol. Next day, that means Tuesday. Next day, how much? 50 liters. Okay. Then question is, if the petrol costs 44 rupees per liter, how much he spent in on petrol, right? So 44 rupees cost of petrol. 44 rupees per liter. See, if I ask you same thing, we are going to do it. Okay. So total money you have to find, right? So on Monday, how much he spent? 40 multiplied by 44. On next day, 50 multiplied by 44. Then you will add both, so you will get total expenditure on petrol, right? So here we are going to do in our distributive property. Okay, how we do it? So it is like total expenditure. Write your answer very properly in your notebook. Huh? So total expenditure will be 44 multiplied by first 40 liter. We already did multiple example, number of example of such problem. Okay, that Meena's example where she purchased she purchased twice. First 6 kilo kg, then 5 kg. Okay, then we added both. So in a same manner, 40 plus 50, right? So we can do it directly. 44 multiplied by 40 plus 50, that is 90. Okay, 9 for the 36, carry 3, 9 for the 36, 39, 1 0, 3,960 rupees he spent. Okay, 3,960 rupees he spent on petrol. Clear? This is how you are going to write it. First, on Monday, how much petrol he filled. The next day, the cost of petrol, and how you are going to find out total expenditure. What you did, you multiply total expenditure with total quantity. That's it, right? Hope you understood each and everything. Next question, that is question number 6. Okay, question number 6. Question number 6 is about a vendor supplies 23 liter of milk to a hotel in morning. Okay, in morning. How much? 32 liters. Then 68 liter in milk in evening. And in evening 68 liters. A दूध वाला भैया, okay, a दूध वाला भैया provide a milk in a hotel. So every day in the morning he provide 32 liter and in evening 68 liter. So the question is, if the milk cost rupees 45 per liter, so how much money is due to the vendor per day? Okay. So cost of milk per liter. Cost of milk is 45 rupees. Rupees 45 per liter. Right? See, so bill of दूध वाला भैया, that means vendor. Bill of that milkman, or can say vendor of every day. Same thing, we are going to just pause video and try to find out answer over here. So 45 multiplied by 32 plus 68. Okay, what we did? We added total milk morning and evening. Morning 32 liter and 68 liter evening. How much? 100 liter per day is provided. Okay, and 45 rupees per liter. So for 100 liter, 4,500, 4,500. That's it. This is your answer. Hope this is clear to all of you. Okay. Next thing is match the following. Yeah. So question 7. Okay, match the following. It is last question. So it is given 425 multiplied by 136. So it is given 425 multiplied by 630, 6 plus 30 plus 100. Okay. Now second thing. 249.50. multiplied by 49 multiplied by 50 that is equals to okay. So here you go. So this is the column one, and here are three things: A, B, and C. Right? So A is commutativity under multiplication. Okay. So A is commutativity under addition, and B is commutativity. Sorry, first is multiplication, beta. Commutativity under multiplication, then commutativity under addition. Okay, and then last one is distributivity of multiplication over addition. So distributivity of multiplication over addition. Hope this symbol will help you. Okay, we have a book, so you can check over there. So first thing, see what we have done over here. We distributed 136 in three part, that is 130 and 36. So it will be completely distributive property, okay, of multiplication over addition. Clear? So here it will be C. So how you will write answer? You will just write first question, then you will write answer, then write first column as it is, then write in front of that C is the answer. Clear? This is how you will like answer. You will write answer of match the following. Okay. And second thing, I am just changing place. Changing place we done in our commutativity, but it is in multiplication. So this covers commutativity under multiplication. So A will be your answer, and the remaining one is B. That is commutativity under addition. Clear? So this is how we ended up with our 2.2 exercise 2.2. So in next video we will start our 2.3. Okay. So you have to practice it and complete this thing. Okay. And write or maintain proper fair notes. Okay. Hope you are maintaining and hope you are practicing. Soon we will conduct our exams online, okay, in a form of Google Forms. We using Google Form, okay. So be prepared and be safe. Thank you so much.